looking at?
Oh, we're wearing our... Call you...
Gentlemen, is it Lady Garland?
To help you get started, to help you get started, to help you get started, to turn you around, get your feet on the ground.
Happy birthday, whoop-dee-doo, whoop-dee-doo.
Help you friends are there.
You.
What the hell? I'm drowning!
Oh shit!
Oh, no. I left the ET.
Nothing! Absolutely nothing!
How'd you like me to come to your house?
Oh my goodness! Squidward!
Not now, Binky. I have to put Garfield to bed. Let's go out so Garfield can have some peace and quiet.
He said it!
Get over here!
All right. Who's the clown maker man?
Your birthday's gone!
It's time to die.
No.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy...
Oh, that's real nice.
Now the time has come for food, for the diet fit for food. And since we pledged to be...
Hey! Ho, birthday, Mary!
Sis clown. Warning. Elps enclosed. Water.
Come on, we have to wish Edna a happy... At last!
Garfield, we're home. Wet. Birthday surprise.
Happy birthday!
Peace and quiet.
I thought you'd never get here! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Whoop-dee-doo, whoop-dee-doo! May you be present, open up your present!